Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Angry Admin here, and today, very quickly, I'll show you how to update your vCenter server. And this is related to newest vCenter vulnerability, VMSA-2024-0012. So let's watch.
Each step, the path becomes clear in the mirror. A conqueror appears where darkness fears. In the mirror, a conqueror appears. Steel and sweat, the journey's told. Each note a beat from the soul. Rising, falling like the tides. Dreams are where our true self hides. Ride the lightning, seize the day. Never let the fight our way. Forge ahead through night to dawn. Dreams are called, not give and chase them all. So hear this anthem loud and free. Chasing dreams, the key to destiny. For once alive, if not.
Sometimes you will get that error message. To be honest with you, I didn't go in deep on it, but once you resume, like I did, then upgrade will go through and everything will be fine.
It's the key to destiny. For once alive, if not to strive. Awake, arise, keep the dream alive.
Okay, that's it. Easy, straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.